Good evening, everybody. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy that the Deputy Chief Minister is with us today, and it's a big honor for us. I'm only going to talk for 2 to 3 minutes on what we are doing at Ruby Hall Clinic in Pune. Ruby Hall Clinic has 3 hospitals in Pune, and we have got 22 diagnostic centers in every part of Maharashtra, starting from Parbhani on one side, all the way to Pune, Fulton, Sholapur. You name the town and Ruby Hall MRI and CT scan is over there. We have a staff of 4,500 people, family members, who work at Ruby Hall. And today I can boast that Ruby Hall is one of the largest hospital groups in Maharashtra. And we have more than 1,000 beds. And the next 2 years we'll be having 1,500 beds. For the first time in Asia, we have launched the new cardiac CT scan. This CT scan is the first one in the whole of Asia, and it comes from Siemens of Germany. The advantage of this CT scan is phenomenal. You get beautiful pictures of the heart like this, and the entire thing takes 1 second. So technology has come. Instead of doing normal angiography, you can simply put the patient and do the CT scan. This machine has become so popular and only started 3 weeks ago, but already we are doing more than 60 patients a day. You can see over here, this patient has had a bypass graft. You can actually see each graft that the surgeon has put in. This is a unique technology that is now available. Unfortunately, you have to come to Pune to get this done. This is a patient who has had stents. You can actually see the stents, whether the stent is functioning well or not. So this is also possible on this new machine. So you get these type of pictures that are available. We have also bought the fastest MRI in the world, magnetic resonance imaging system. And you can see that this is also the first time in India. It has got what is called as evolution speed. So what the machine does is, you can see the normal machine takes, say, 3 minutes. This will take 0.5 seconds. Now the huge advantage is, suppose you are doing a knee MRI, it takes 25 minutes on a normal machine. This machine will do it in 7 minutes. So it is nearly 8 times faster than a normal MRI, much better picture quality as well. So today we are very proud at Ruby Hall Clinic in Pune that we have 2 of the best and fastest machines in India today. We do a lot of charity at Ruby Hall. We do 30 crores of charity at Ruby Hall Clinic every year. And this is a free treatment that is given to everyone. The other announcement I would like to make is that all children below the age of 18, if they have cancer, will be given free treatment at the hospital. We have already treated more than 40 such children, and any child below poverty line will get free treatment, including drugs, linear accelerators, and CyberKnife. I don't know if you know what is CyberKnife, but CyberKnife is also the only machine in Pune, and there's only 2 in India, 1 in Pune and 1 at Chennai. So that gives very focused radiation. This poor girl had no money, wrote to the Prime Minister. Her name is Vaishali Jadhav. The Prime Minister wrote to the collector, and collector came and said, please do this operation free. So we got it free. I'm very happy the government has appointed me as National Advisor to the minority community 5 months ago. I thank you very much, and thank you for coming here today. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर परवेज ग्रांट। अब हम इस अवसर पर